welcome back to Coastal Crafts. So I have got a haul here. I did order this maybe a week ago from Hunkydory. So they're a little bit slower on their postage. They said they've had lots of orders and some staff away. But it is the free gift for club members, and they do some awesome free gifts. They're worth $9.99 in their opinion, and they are lovely, but you get them free if you're a member, and it's free to be a member, obviously, so you just sign up. But this times one, and it is a gorgeous Christmas one. So it's matte this time, not a glossy one. So a lovely matte one, and it's called A Berry Merry Christmas. So this is the Christmas one that's come out, and I just think it is absolutely adorable. Look at those little bears. I was so considering going back on and ordering the stamp sets that go with this, because there's some really cute stamp sets that just match these. But it's absolutely adorable. And I love these frames. I find they're so useful for when you are making albums and for putting your photos behind. So the frames really get used. So that's the first set of toppers you get. So you get another set of toppers. How cute are they? And I just love these colours for Christmas as well. That kind of mint green and purple. That's just perfect. So of course I had to put in an order and pick up this month's free set. I say this month, it isn't this month, is it? Because it lasts, I guess it lasts until they run out of stock and then they switch it over. It's so cute. And there's another one, building a little snow bear. And I was thinking, you know, now summer's passed, as it has, snow will be coming soon. That's the next step, isn't it? And then you get this gorgeous matte cardstock. And I say matte because quite often they're cardstocks, that shiny glossy card, which I love as well. But this is just beautiful. I just absolutely love this collection. I got it and I was there thinking, oh, why didn't I buy the collection pack? Why did I just get the free gift? I should have got more of it. So who knows, I may well be going back. Just so cute. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Whether I'm going to make cards, whether I'm going to use this like a little album around Christmas time, what I'm going to do. That is lovely, isn't it? I'm not sure. And then these ones are more, they haven't got any of the design on it, but they're matching and coordinating cards. So all these come in the pack. And that one, I just love this colour scheme. As I've said before, green being my favourite colour. And lovely silver snowflakes. So that is Hunkydory's club members gift at the moment. So I put in an order and picked up my version, and I absolutely love it. Whilst I was on there, I picked up some sticky tape as well, which doesn't sound very exciting, but I thought I'd quickly show you what they have in terms of. So I've got some of the high-tack red tape. That was £1, either £1.79 or £1.89, I think, and that's 6mm times 5 meters. So we'll see about that one. I need some high-tack tape for doing that, and I've had their double-sided tape before and really like it. It lasts well and it's nice and strong. So I've got a variety of different whips, and they are all really good value. Like that's under £1, and that's like £1, and that's just over £1. So I do like their tape. So I thought I would quickly show that. And the last thing that I picked up on my order is the same thing that I picked up last time. It's another watch, and I can't tell whether this is it because I put it together with the last lot, but another watch of this adorable scribble paper. So this is the glossy stuff, but and this was going for £7, I think 49 again, but I think I've got a different colours to the ones I got last time. I don't know if that's just me being lucky or whether they give you a random colour pack. I did like the colours I got last time, but it's really nice to have a slightly different colour packs. I ordered it again because I thought, oh, it's such good, you know, such good bargain, and I was really happy to get different colours this time. So it's going to be really useful. So now I've just got every colour possible. So I love this cardstock, perfect for making cards. for the backgrounds cards, perfect for die cutting, perfect for embossing, all those things. So I have got 200 sheets. Well, I've used up quite a few of them already, but that I've ordered over the last 2 orders. So you get 100 in a pack for £7.49, and that card is excellent. So that's what I got from Hunkydory. Always happy with them. And then I also ordered a couple of bits from Aliexpress, which I think I'll show you now. I picked up a set of dies. It doesn't come with a magnetic piece. I just popped it on there. So they're cute little pumpkin dies. They're about £1.50. I'll put a link to the dies in the description box. But aren't they cute? So I have die cut them out, ready to be used. And, oh, hello, you're back to front. I just think they're going to be really lovely on a card. Also, if you're doing a scrapbooking page, my hands don't look that clean again. I keep doing that on my videos. I think they'll look really nice. So really happy with those. And I also picked up a stamp set. There we go. And this one has got random, I think it's Spanish writing, but that's absolutely fine because I got it for the critters. And this was about sort of £1, £1.50 kind of thing. But and I don't often buy AliExpress stamps anymore because the quality's, you know, it doesn't last as long as photopolymer, and it's not as easy to stamp as photopolymer. But these were just too cute to say no to. And in my next upcoming Halloween collab video, I'm going to do some cute critter colouring and card making, because I haven't done any of my Halloween videos just yet. And how adorable are these little critters? I just love them. And I just put a little pumpkin in his hand there. Let's go in there. I just think they're really cute. So great for a little card, great for like tags, great for treat bags and things like that. So that was a couple of bits from AliExpress that were Halloween related. And also, whilst we're on the Halloween topic there, I popped into the range because I needed some orange paint and I needed some other bits as well, but I'm not going to show you all of those for various reasons. This is the pumpkin acrylic paint, and that was to use with my, I showed you this in a previous haul. I picked up this Hobbycraft candy mould of the pumpkins, and so of course I had to make some pumpkins, and this is how they've been coming out. So they're not the world's most brilliant pumpkins, but they're a bit of a start, and I might add some shading down them to add some more definition. But I quite enjoyed those little pumpkins as well, so we'll see how I might incorporate that into a project when I decide what I'm going to do with them. We will see. But there we go, that is my little mini haul for today, and I'm going to come back on and show you the latest magazine that I picked up as well shortly. But other than that, I shall speak to you very soon. Bye.